Well, no one knows my mom better than me. So, masasabi ko lang siya po isang, if there are any detractors, I think, tingnan nyo naman yung record ng, in terms professionally, tingnan nyo yung record ng nanay ko, what she's accomplished as a congresswoman. Yung, at masasabi ko, as a Las Piñas, nakakaikot din ako sa Las Piñas at nakikita ko, nararamdaman ko yung mga natulungan niya dati na hanggang ngayon nagpapasalamat pa rin sa akin. And of course, at the same time, tigit sa lahat ang pagiging mabuting nanay sa akin at kay Camille at kay Pao. I think that's the, well, of course, any mother, it's very difficult to be a mother. It's a job that sometimes it might be a thankless job, but it's the most important job. And my mom really excels. And ako naman po, bilib na bilib ako sa akin nanay and how she raised all our kids. Now she is able to do it. So, to the detractors, I just like to say that nirerespeto ko rin ang opinion nila. Pero but I can say, I'm her son, and I've been with her for the longest, and I've been with her the longest, and I can say she's a good mother, she's very hardworking, and she's very fair to us, and we love her very much. We love our mother very much. Kaya nalulungkot din ako pag may nagsasabi ng masama. Siyempre na-hurt din ako dahil hindi naman totoo. At alam ko naman ang katotohanan na siya ay isang mabuting mother. Nag-uusap-usap din kami. Pero siyempre, minsan alam mo, hindi mo rin maiwasan sa politika na may magkakaroon ng konting black propaganda. Kaya, kami naman, alam naman namin na hindi totoo. Kaya, as much as possible, we try not to be affected by these negative, Kung pwede ko, kung kaya ko lang, gusto ko sana sabihin sa kanila na ipakita yung kung paano ako lumaki. Sana, kung pwede ko lang ipakita sa kanila. Kaya lang, hindi ko rin ma-communicate sa kanila. But if I had to talk to them, I would say that just look at how she's been such a good mother to me and my siblings that sana wag naman nilang i-black pro ang aking nanay kasi hindi naman totoo at kawawa naman. Stick na lang tayo sa mga issues, di ba?